It's Halloween, baby! I'm very excited. Here's my very colorful psychedelic skull. I loved enjoying this. I loved doing this so much. This is my kind of thing. Splatter paint splattering, and I'm happy, and it's good. And it's Halloween. It's Halloween. It's Halloween. Sorry, it's Halloween. Thanks for watching. Hi guys! So today I am so excited because we are starting our Halloween looks for the season of 2019. Wow, there's imaginary chairs going on. It's going to be a very messy look. Honestly, it's really easy to do. You just place paint everywhere and you just keep going until you like where it is going. I'm just gonna do a couple of things off camera, which is just the blocking of the brows, and actually that's it, just blocking of the brows with some glue. So I'll be back. Oh crap, I just moved the whole thing. So I really hope you can't hear the gardener cutting the grass outside right now, because I did my brows and now I'm just here like, he was like right by my window and I'm like, yeah, okay, just gotta wait. Alright, so to begin drawing the skull, I'm just gonna map it out with a white eyeliner pencil. This one is from LA Girl. When drawing a skull, yes, you want to use a reference picture, but also you need to feel where your bones are, so that when you're drawing it, you're actually drawing it where your bones actually are. Am I making sense? Probably not, but you know what I mean. Hey guys, so now that the skull kind of guide is on, I will paint it with my Paradise AQ paints from Meron in white. Just everything that's supposed to be white, I'm going to do white first, and then I will do the black. After that, the intricate parts begin with the shading and the teeth and everything else. But for now, just white and black. I should have not done the teeth, because now I'm gonna take really long doing this, which means I'll take breaks, and when I take breaks I eat.
No, you can't eat. If you drink, you have to use a straw.
Well, now you're gonna be in my video. Thanks for your opinion. No. That was Craig, by the way. Oh, okay. Well, that is what was gonna happen before I was gonna do that, and this just happened accidentally. Old me would have freaked out, but it's okay. So for the color part, I am going to use some of the water activated paints. I have pigments, eyeshadow palettes, more cream paints. So between all of that, we're going to create some color and bring the color in. Okay, bye. I don't know why I did that. Sorry. Bye. Sneeze. So I'm going to do my nose and my eyes now very quickly, and then I will underline and highlight everything a little bit more. Okay guys, so most of the paintwork is done. It was just some splattering and line work, really like easy. You just kind of went, I kind of just went where I wanted to go and this happened. So I'm really happy with it so far. For my hair now, so I have some really bright pink hairspray, some green and red, and I'm just gonna see what happens, try to cover up all of that stuff because I want all of it to be covered, and then it's pictures and then we're done.